Hi, we're here at Clumber Park in this lovely new Keder greenhouse, I think. Yeah, which is a really lovely light and airy greenhouse. Here with Shirley Roberts, the senior gardener, and we've got a little experiment going on here, Shirley. We've got grow bags growing. It's a long way from the 4 acres of kitchen garden I've just seen behind me.
Yeah, it's a little bit different, Steve, isn't it?
Very, yes.
But what we're trying to do is balance a kitchen garden that people can come and visit and see crops growing with keeping our chefs supplied with really nice fresh produce.
Yeah.
So this is a good way of utilising the Keder when it's not in full propagation swing, if you like. But what we found is that we can grow really great crops. We can grow a whole array of crops really quickly, really cleanly. It's very, very easy to come and harvest them, and we found that we can get a minimum of 3 really decent crops off each bag. But what we're doing now is running a little experiment. We've all got a grow bag at home, and it's something we'd like to share with our visitors, that actually in a space that's really, really small, you could grow really nice salads for your family, really inexpensively and quite easily as well.
Yeah, so all you need is an ordinary grow bag, a tray to put it in, and that's it, off you go.
Yeah, and maybe a bag of mixed varieties perhaps, because we're growing individual varieties, but there are loads of lovely mixed bags of salads.
Yes, lots of colour, very colourful. Yeah, it's great. So, and can you get more than one sowing out of a bag once you've harvested these lettuces, for example?
Absolutely. We find that on average we can get 3 sowings. And again, we tend to prefer things smaller and sweeter, so you can get a quick crop of nice sweet, say radish or leaves or spring onions. So you can keep everything going successionally. And if you want to, you can make them a bit more ornamental. So we've been trialling them with edible flowers as well, so you don't have to just, have veg in. So a really, really great way of growing if you haven't got much of a garden at home.
Yeah, super. It's something anybody can try. And all year round, I guess, more or less.
Yeah, absolutely, if you're careful with your varieties. So the next sowing we'll do will be some tried and tested winter lettuce, like Marvel of 4 Seasons. Who doesn't love that one? And that'll see us through probably until end of February.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, great. Well, I'm impressed with them, so, give them a try. It's absolutely marvellous. It's just a great way of growing veg in a very small space, isn't it?